Hey guys, Tony here. Just wanted to update you guys on my position on AMC. I did end up selling those AMC puts that I bought. I bought them at 507, sold them at $867, so about a $360 profit. I was actually gonna be holding these a lot longer, but I guess I forgot that I bought them for expiring for an expiry of this week. I completely thought it was gonna be they expired in a month, so I'm not really sure why I thought that they expired a month from now. If we do see AMC back to these levels, I'm probably gonna buy. If we do see AMC back at like the level of the high 12s, the mid 12s, maybe 13s, I'll probably buy more puts. But yeah, the only reason I sold today is because I actually saw. I completely forgot that they were expiring this week, and I thought that I bought them for a month out. But anyway, so we do go back up a little bit today. Or one of these days, I'll probably buy puts again because I'm still bearish towards that $9 and whatever mark that I said on my previous TA. So I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to update you guys.